Do you struggle with shady spots in your garden and wish you could fill them with beautiful, vibrant flowers? Look no further. In today's video, we're going to explore 15 perennial flowers that thrive in shady conditions, ensuring your garden is bursting with color and life year after year. Stay tuned to discover the perfect perennials for your shaded garden spaces. One, Hosta. Hostas are the champions of shade gardens. These hardy perennials come in various shades of green, blue, and variegated patterns. Their lush foliage creates a beautiful, dense cover, and they produce lovely, delicate flowers in the summer. Plant them in well-drained soil and watch them flourish. 2. Astilbe. Astilbe adds a touch of elegance to any shaded area with its feathery plumes of pink, red, white, or purple flowers. These perennials prefer moist, well-drained soil and can brighten up your garden from late spring to early summer. 3. Bleeding Heart. The heart-shaped flowers of Bleeding Heart dangle gracefully from arching stems, creating a romantic and whimsical look. These plants bloom in spring and come in shades of pink, white, and red. They thrive in cool, shaded areas with moist, well-drained soil. 4. Heuchera, Coral Bells. Heucheras, or coral bells, offer an array of foliage colors, from deep purples to bright lime greens. Their small, bell-shaped flowers appear in late spring to early summer. These versatile plants prefer partial shade and well-drained soil. 5. Brunnera, Siberian Bugloss. Brunnera, also known as Siberian Bugloss, features heart-shaped leaves and tiny blue flowers, reminiscent of forget-me-nots. These plants are perfect for ground cover in shaded areas and bloom in early to mid-spring. 6. Hellebore. Hellebores, or Lenten roses, bloom in late winter to early spring, providing early color when most other plants are still dormant. Their cup-shaped flowers come in various colors, including white, pink, yellow, and purple. Hellebores thrive in shaded areas with rich, well-drained soil. 7. Lungwort, Pulmonaria. Lungwort is known for its spotted leaves and clusters of blue, pink, or white flowers that bloom in early spring. This plant prefers moist, shaded areas and can create a beautiful ground cover. 8. Japanese Forest Grass, Hakonecloa. This ornamental grass adds texture and movement to shaded gardens with its arching bright green or golden leaves. Japanese forest grass thrives in partial to full shade and prefers well-drained soil. 9. Toad Lily. Toad lilies produce intricate, orchid-like flowers in late summer to early fall. They thrive in deep shade and add a unique touch to your garden with their speckled blooms. 10. Solomon Seal. Solomon Seal is a graceful plant with arching stems and dangling, bell-shaped white or pink flowers. It thrives in deep shade and adds elegance to woodland gardens. 11. Foxglove. Foxgloves are tall, striking plants that thrive in partial shade. Their tubular flowers come in shades of pink, purple, white, and yellow, attracting pollinators like bees and hummingbirds. 12. Anemone. Anemones, also known as windflowers, produce charming, daisy-like flowers in shades of pink, white, and blue. They thrive in partial shade and are perfect for woodland gardens. 13. Trillium. Trilliums are native wildflowers that bloom in early spring. Their three-petaled flowers come in white, pink, red, or yellow. They prefer woodland settings and can naturalize in shady areas. 14. Ajuga, Bugleweed. Ajuga is a low-growing ground cover that produces spikes of blue, purple, or white flowers. It's perfect for filling in shady areas and adding color to your garden floor. 15. Cyclamen. Cyclamen flowers bloom in late winter to early spring and come in shades of pink, red, and white. They prefer shady, well-drained areas and can add a splash of color when most other plants are dormant. There you have it, 15 perennial flowers that will thrive in your shady garden areas. From the lush foliage of hostas to the delicate blooms of cyclamen, these plants will bring color and life to even the darkest corners of your garden year after year. Which of these perennials are you excited to try in your garden? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!